Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name's Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description and we start our trading. So guys, let's start our trading session. Today I got $124 on my balance and I'm gonna make some good money during this trading session. So watch this video till the end in order to make sure it happens. We're gonna open 2-minute position and for all the money, so we put 124 here at the trade amount. All the currency pairs with the highest payout rates have already been picked out. And let's analyze the market. For today we're gonna need charts with the uptrend or downtrend, so a chart has to have any direction because we're gonna open position following the trend. So there are nice dynamic. Price movement both upward and downtrend. And of course the alligator is gonna help us with that. This is trend indicator, and if you use it while trading, I recommend you to open according to the trend, follow the nearest correction and start from there. And open long or short position. Anyway, when you trade with the trend, always open your position considering its direction. What concerns the alligator settings, we keep them as they are. Today we are gonna open 2-minute position. And let's not drag this out any longer and get down to trading and find the better currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Okay, so I want to open a trade after the correction, after the red candle. So let's find. We are likely to look for the uptrend, and let's open a long position here. Good trade entry selection in the workspace. The support zone played out here. The price rejected and is moving to the upside. The trend has changed. We see the crossing of the indicator moving average that also tells us about the trend reversal. According to the chart's behavior, that's why we opened a long position. So guys, our first position is close to the climax. We already see a good breakout, very nice. And our first position is gonna be in profits. There are literally several seconds left. And yes, the first trade has been closed with a profit. We got $229 on our balance. We changed the trade amount to... And let's carry on our trading and find another currency pair for the most profitable. I think here we should open a short position. There is a good trade entry. We see a nice correction to the upside. Resistance zone played out, the price movement started doing down from the high point, and then we faced there was a correction in the zone. And after this the price should continue going down according to the trend. Also the indicator moving average facing downwards. Here also the crossing did happen and it tells us the price movement is expected to go down. Okay, that's why we opened on the short position. There are 1 minute left before the closing and we already see a confident breakdown. So guys, about 10 seconds left before the climax. And like I said, the position in profits, we got $392 on our balance. Change the trade amount and continue our technical analysis. Today market behavior creates. That's why we should stop here and break trading at this point. So keep on the analysis, find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Now let's open a trade on the uptrend. We'll try to alternate to make it easier for you to negative when you trade yourself. Pick the currency pair that has better payout rate, and let's open a long position here. Good trade entry. We see a big correction in this zone. There is a strong uptrend early on there where the flat accumulation zone took place. Then the trend took upward direction, the resistance zone played out at this level. Then we see a nice correction, after which the price is likely to go up. Also, if we consider the dynamics of the price directions, the local lows have been updated in this area. And if we follow the dynamics, then the price has to move to the upside now. There is literally a minute left before the closing, and we already can see the breakout. The green candle is starting to show up, and we have a solid time reserve. Even if there unexpected volatility here, we're definitely gonna see the breakout on the last second, and the position should end up in profits. So guys, 5 seconds left before the climax, and I can now say confidence that this is another trade in profits. Like I said, the price went to the upside and the position is profits. All the nuance of working with this indicator you can find in my trading school in Telegram, or the link you can find in the description. If there are any question or something is clear, for example some technical, contact us in Telegram. We'll try to reply to everyone and solve your problem. And there is no stopping here. We continue our trading session and find the better currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's open a short position here. I guess relatively good trade entry. If we look at the alligator, there were a good correction here. Local high were updated, and the price started going down from this zone. And the local low has been updated here. We've seen a small correction to the upside, and the price should keep moving lower because of this. Also, if we look at the alligator, the crossing of moving average did happen here, and the alligator draws fucking downwards. That's why we opened the short. So guys, literally 5 seconds left before the climax. We already see a small breakdown. So yes, and this is one in profits. It's one best trade entry. But we looked at the trend direction on the first place, opened the short position, but anyway we in profit, guys. Let's change the currency pair. We're not gonna slow us down here, carry on our trading session. Now I want to open a long, find the best options. I guess this trade entry would be the right one. Selection of the workspace, ascending trend, the update of the local lows did happen is the zone. The support zone also played out here. The rebound has happened. There were no breaking down on this channel. And the correction after this level, I think the price has to go up because this correction was massive for this particular moment. However, there are strong uptrend, and since the position should be in profits and the price will go to the upside. We already have a nice breakout. I'm sure the movement should gain momentum and go even higher. Now it's moving up, the local high has to be updated, and let's simply wait. So guys, there are literally 5 seconds left before the closing, and like I said, the price exclusively went up to its update. And another one is profits, guys. We got $2,261 on our balance, already great outcome for today. But this now for me, I'm gonna make it solid. So let's change the currency pair and define the most promising trend entry. I think you already understood the principle of trading with this indicator. Detect the nearest correction and take action from here. Let's see what do we have here, and let's open 2 short position here. Good rate entry. The price movement started going down from the resistance zone, really confident movement to the downside. Let's take a look at this particular zone. Here's the accumulation zone has been formed, and from this level the price went lower following the trend. Then we observe a good correction. The resistance level played out here, and I think the price should also continue going lower following the trend. The correction on the stage should be over now. We can already see a strong breakdown. The price has already gone away from our trade entry point. There are absolutely nothing to worry about, and let's just watch the price movement. So guys, there is less than 10 seconds left before the climax, and the price went down exactly as predicted. And another 2 positions are in profits. So we got $4,000 on our balance. Very nice, I think. Now we'll try to open a long position, trying to alternate our trades. And let's change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Here we open 4 long positions following the trend, selection the workspace. And let's analyze the price movement. Currently the uptrend prevails. We see the sideways movement, the accumulation zone did happen, and that's how the uptrend was formed. We can notice consistency of the price direction, breakouts and correction, and over again. And so far the price movement abouts with this pattern. Here the resistance zone played out and the breakdown has happened. The local high has been updated, after which the price started going down. Then the support zone also has to play out here, because we've seen a really solid correction, and the price is gonna carry on going up and continue the uptrend. That's why we opened a long position. Well, we already see a solid breakout, and there is a little less than a minute left before the climax, and let's just watch the candle movements. So there is 5 seconds left before the closing, and we see a strong breakout, and our position have been closed with profit. We got $7,381 on our balance. Great outcome for today. I think this is the point where we stop. I hope you got to the principle of trading with this indicator. The main things is remember that this is the trend indicator, and you should open according to the trend direction, so you can trade either on 1 minute time frame or 2 minutes time frame. And you can also watch the video on my YouTube where I'm trade with this indicator. I will attach the link in the upper right corner, so you can find something useful, learn new things, and eventually make good money. And let's get down to withdrawal. I would like to withdraw $7,000 to my Bitcoin wallet, So the transaction is processing. I will attach the screen when it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.